Hi, I'm Jennifer from Adult Services at the Wayne County Public Library. Today I want to show you how to make simple flavored syrups. You know, like the ones you can find at the local coffee house for adding to your coffee drink or your iced tea. There are lots of other things you can do with them at home, including adding to club soda for an Italian soda, brushing them over cakes for a little extra flavor, or even pouring them over fruit or ice cream for dessert. The basic recipe is very simple, lends itself to many variations, and is really pretty quick to make, so let's get started. The recipe itself is so simple. It's equal parts of granulated sugar and water. So I have half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water that I'm going to add to my saucepan. And then you want to add something for flavoring. So I would like to make a peppermint syrup, and I've got some crushed peppermint canes that I'm just going to sprinkle in here. And then what we're going to do is bring this to a boil, let it boil for a couple of minutes, and then strain it into a bottle. And that's the peppermint syrup. Very easy, very flavorful and fragrant, and ready to cool, go in the refrigerator, and be ready for the next mocha or hot chocolate I want to make. So that's all there is to making simple syrup, and I hope you'll give it a try at home. Happy eating!